Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video directly to YouTube from Filmora 13. Okay, so this is one of the things that you can do to save your production time, especially if you have multiple YouTube channels. You want to just click the export button and Filmora will do the rest. It will export the video and upload it to YouTube. By the way, in order to do this, you have to have Filmora on your computer. I will put the link in the description for you to download it, and if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so this is my Filmora 13 and this is an example of my project. And now what I need to do is to export this project and upload it to my YouTube channel. And first thing first, you need to have a Filmora account. So this is my account, and to be honest, I have multiple license of Filmora. This is my cross-platform license, where I can use for my Windows, macOS, Android device, and iPhone or stuff like that. And I also have an annual license of Filmora and another perpetual license of Filmora for Windows and a perpetual license of Filmora for macOS. By the way, I am a Filmora teacher, so I have so many licenses. But you don't have to have so many license like me. Okay, so you have to log into your license here, and then you can export your project. And this is my subscription. It is Filmora multi-system plan. Okay, so we can close it. And next up, we want to click the export button. By the way, you can press Ctrl E on your keyboard to go to the export tab also. Okay, and next up, you can select YouTube right here. And the next thing, it is very important, you need to log into your YouTube channel. You need to grant access to Wondershare to access your YouTube channels. And if you are worrying about your CQ information, you don't need to do this. You can just export your project and save your video to your computer, and then you can upload it yourself. Okay, by the way, I'm going to log into my YouTube channel. Okay, and I have multiple YouTube channel here. I'm going to log into this channel. Okay, so this is my Google account and I have multiple channel here, so I can log into this channel. So this is just a demo channel, my Jacky channel. Okay, just click here and then click continue, and then you need to select all here, manage your YouTube video, view your YouTube account, stuff like that, and then we can click continue. Because you are using sign in with Google, Wondershare Filmora will be able to do some stuff with your Google account. Okay, and then we can click continue and continue this process in the software interface. Okay, and now we have the export tab, and it is similar to device or local export tab. And first up, we want to write a title. This is a demo. Okay, and the quality setting, so you want to click here at the setting tab, and you want to select the resolution. This is for long form video. You want to select 1080p here, and frame rate 24 frames per second. For the bitrate, you can select constant bitrate or variable bitrate, is up to you. But normally I will select variable bitrate here, and then I can increase the bitrate to 15,000 kbps. Okay, for the compression quality, we can select none or high. It's up to you. Okay, and then we can click apply. And now we want to write something at the description, and this is my Filmora demo video. Okay, and select the category for your video. We can select something like people and blog, and tag, we can tag Wondershare Filmora, or we can add our tag Jacky and say Filmora and Nguyen and filming, stuff like that. Okay, and you can set the privacy also. We can set it to unlisted. And there's some option right here. If you want to accelerate your hardware, you can enable GPU here. Okay, so now we can click export, and it will export the video, save it to our local computer, and then upload it to YouTube. So we don't need to wait to upload our video to YouTube manually. Okay, and then we can click the export button and wait for it. Okay, and now it is finished, and we have a link to our YouTube video right here, and we can open the folder to see the video on our computer. Okay, so first up, I want to copy the link right here, and I'm going to open my web browser and also open my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio and to show you this video. Okay, and this is my YouTube Studio, and this is the video that I uploaded from Filmora. Okay, so we can click here the detail tab, And now we can change the thumbnail and select the thumbnail, select the playlist or other stuff on YouTube if we want. Alright, so this is how to upload a video directly to YouTube using Filmora 13. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.